Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I'm your maths teacher from the ICOM school, Bhata campus. So students, let us start our topic in the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most beneficent. Students, today our topic is we have to discuss key vocabulary that we will use in future, and I will tell you some about definitions. You have to learn these definitions also. Okay student, let us start. Number one definition is place value. A value represented by a digit on the basis of its position in a number. एक डिजिट में, एक नंबर में कोई एक डिजिट होता है, उसकी जो पोजीशन होती है वो उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू कहलाती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव अ नंबर 245,316. look at the place value of 5. The place value of 5 is thousands. What is the place value of 2 in this digit? The place value of 2 is 100,000. Okay, next we have second word, compare. To find which number is smaller and which number is greater. By comparison or by comparing two numbers means we find which number is smaller and which number is greater, or two numbers are equal or not. We use these symbols to find. This number is used for greater than, this symbol is used for less than, and these two straight lines are used for equality. Next, number 3 is order. Order means to arrange numbers in proper sequence, that is in ascending order or in descending order. When we arrange number in sequence, we are saying that we are ordering these numbers. In ascending number, we arrange numbers from smaller number to greater number as we are going upwards on the stairs, and in descending order we arrange numbers from greater number to smaller number as if we are going downstairs. Okay students, our next word is operations. You are very much familiar with these four symbols. These are multiply, divide, plus, minus. In math, these symbols are used for calculations, for calculating answers, and these are referred to as mathematical operations. Next is commutative law. Commutative law indicates that if we swap numbers around and still we get same answer, अगर हम नंबर्स की पोजीशन को चेंज कर दें और फिर भी हमारे पास सेम आंसर आता है कम्यूटेटिव लॉ में. कम्यूटेटिव लॉ इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली ऑन एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इट कैन नॉट बी अप्लाइड ऑन डिवाइड एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द एग्जांपल. हियर इज 2 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 2. By adding 2 into 4 we get 6, and also by adding 4 to 2 we also get 6. We get same answer. So we say that commutative law is applicable over here. We are swapping numbers around and still getting same answer. Now look at other example. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18, and 6 multiplied by 3 is also equal to 18. We are just changing the position of numbers and still getting the same answer. This is called commutative law. Next is multiplication. Students, you know how to multiply. You have learned this in previous classes. Students, do you know what is multiplication, or what is why we use multiplication? Multiplication is a skill we acquire due to situation where we need to quickly add same numbers multiple times. Multiplication is a skill that we acquire due to the situation where we need to quickly add same numbers multiple times. Multiplication question have some parts. Each part have its special name. You see here, it is multiplicand, multiplier, product. Now we will see what these terms refer to. Multiplicand. मल्टीप्लिकेंड इज द नंबर टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड. जिस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेंड. मल्टीप्लायर इज द नंबर बाय विच मल्टीप्लिकेंड इज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड. जिस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेंड को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है दैट नंबर इज नोन एज मल्टीप्लायर. प्रोडक्ट. व्हाट इज प्रोडक्ट? Product is the end result or answer of the multiplication question. What is the product? The answer is known as product. Next is division. Students, we have already done division of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number in your previous class. What is division? Division is repeated subtraction. When we cannot subtract quickly, we use division method. But in question of division there are different terms used. See different terms: divisor, dividend, remainder, quotient. Let us see what are these terms refer to. First is dividend. The number being divided. जिस number को divide कर रहे होते हैं that is called dividend. Next, divisor. The number dividing the dividend. जिस नंबर के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड डिवाइजर. नेक्स्ट द वर्ड इज quotient. The answer to the division is called quotient. Answer that you find is called quotient. And last is remainder. The number left over after dividing into equal parts. That is called remainder. Okay students, now we will discuss about million. In previous classes and in my previous lecture I told you about the international number system. We write number in international number system by dividing numbers into houses. First is units house, 100, tens and ones. Next is thousands house, also 100, tens and one. 100,000, 10,000, 1,000. These are 100,000 makes 6-digit number, but we get 7th digit, we enter into a new house that is called millions house. What is it called? Millions house. One million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Look at the example 1, 2, 3. In thousand house number is also 1, 2, 3, and in units house it is also 1, 2, 3. Writing a number, big number in millions number is very easy, as you all are familiar to make simple number in units house, that is 123. To make bigger digits, it is also very easy that you start from million house, and as you make a number in units house 123 million, you will write 123 million. Next, enter to thousand house 123,000, and in units house it is very simple, 123. So you can make a number very easily: 123,123,123. Look at another example: 243,129,100. Last 3 digits are 100. How we will make its number? We will see that it is greater than 6 digits. It is in millions house: 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 243 million, 129,000 and 100. You can make its name like this: 243 million, 129,000 and 100. Okay students, now it is your diary to write number names of these big numbers. Okay, check these numbers and write the number names and do send to me. I'll wait for your homework. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.